Hi everyone, I'm Swaminathan and welcome back to my channel. In the time of the pandemic, a particular food has been missed a lot, and that's the pani. Be it the young or the old, everyone loves Panipuri. So today I'm going to tell you how to make very tasty and delicious Panipuris like those got at Jaggery. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Just air fry the jeera and the red chillies till you get the fine aroma and grind them coarsely to a powder. This powder is a secret ingredient or something which makes the panipuris very tasty. Next, take the washed and cleaned mint and coriander leaves, green chillies, ginger, grind them to a liquified paste like this with some water. Now take a vessel which is about 2 liters capacity and pour about 1.5 liters of water. Now add in the tamarind paste and stir well like this. Then take the coriander mint paste and add it to this tamarind water. Stir it well. After this mixes, put in the red chilli powders, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of the jeera red chilli coarsely ground mix, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. You can add in even the pani-puri powder. Mix it well. The pani-puri powder is available in the market. You can just buy and add about 1 tablespoon. After having mixed it in, put in the salt and mix it well. Now that we have added salt, we are now going to add rock salt. Be careful, add only 1 teaspoon of rock salt because we've already added salt. Rock salt or black salt. Yes, and now stir it well so that all the powders mix together to give you that flavor. Now squeeze in the lemon, 1 full lemon, and then add some finely chopped coriander and your panipuri water is ready to be served. Take the potatoes in a bowl, mash them well. Now add in the powders, the jeera red chilli ground powder, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder. You can add in the panipuri powder also, some finely chopped coriander, and then give it a good squish. Squish it well, mix in all the powders. Then add the salt and squish it well. The squishing is very important to make the filling of the right texture. That makes it very tasty. And this potato is now ready. So are the pani puri and the water. It is ready to be served. Now to make the sweet chutney, take about 3 tablespoons of Jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon of tamarind paste. Along with that, you can add in the coarsely ground jeera and red chilli powder, about 1 tablespoon, and pour in water little by little to mix this into the sweet chutney. Little by little, when you add water, the jaggery melts and all the ingredients mix well in order to become the sweet chutney. Now add some more water. Slowly add the water in. Then we'll be adding the salt. That is the rock salt. For the sweet chutney, add only half a teaspoon of rock salt. And stir it well. And the sweet chutney is now ready to be served. Stir it well and keep it aside. It should be aside for some time for the ingredients to mix. And the panipuri is ready to be served. Do try the recipe and let me know whether you got desired results. You can adjust all the ingredients as per your taste. If you did like the video, do subscribe. Thank you so much and bye.